Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel Tech Trade. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech Trade and press on the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube channel. Okay, today my video topic is speed, easy, and expertise is with AI Lavino or Linda Yao. Okay, and let's start this video. Linda Yao, Chief Operating Officers and Head of Strategy for Livino Strategy Solution and Success Group and Vice President of Hybrid Cloud and AI Solutions. Join the myself, and AI podcast to explain the organization transition for technology product company to manage services provider is now helping organizations with the change management require the implement AI in the enterprises. Okay. And next, she shared both a framework around speed, easy, and expertise to facilitate this adoption, and as well as the four pillars of AI, a red line that Lenovo guide its clients the achieve tune into this is exposed also for Linda perspective on the rule of human connection in what she called the era of inference, a time when we should focus on the implementation of maturing in AI tools. Okay, transcript. Number one, Sherwin code bondage. Stay tuned. Offer today expose of here same, and I break down the key point made by our guest. Okay, what are the four arrests the companies need to prioritize for AI readiness? Find out on today export. Linda Yao. I am Linda Yao from Livino, and you are listening to me, myself, and AI. Okay, same Rains Botham. Welcome to me, myself, and AI, a podcast on artificial intelligence in business. Each episode we introduce you to someone innovating with AI. I am Sam. I am Rance Botham, professor of analytics of Boston and College. I am also the AI and business strategy a guest editor at MIT Sloan Management Review. Okay, Sherwin Cambo code bench, and I am Sherwin Codebunch, senior partner with BCG and and one of the leaders of our AI business together. MIT, SMR, and BCG have been researching and publishing on AI science since 2020, 2017 in interviewing 100 and partners and surveying thousands of companies on that it take to build and to deploy and scale AI capabilities and really transfer the way organization operating operate. Same Rotham. Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us today. Hey Sherwin, I am talking with Linda Yeo from Lenovo. And Livona Sina is the vice president of AI solution and of services, as well as the chief operating officer and head of strategy for Lenovo solution and services group. Linda, thanks for joining us. Linda, yo, thank you so much, Sam. It's great to be here. Sam Rotham, alright, let's start the Livino. For our listener who are not familiar with Livino, can you give us a brief overview? Okay. Linda, yes, Livino is a global technology company. We are operating in 180 markets. We are part of the global Fortune on 500. We are started many decades ago as a PC manufacturer, and then we acquired in 2005 the IBM PC advice and division, and then decided to diversify our technology businesses. Okay. And we are we require the X100 8060 86 data center in infrastructure business from IBM. We require we acquired the Motorola phones business from Google after the had both Motorola and with that we created that we call our end-to-end pocket to code portfolio. The latest genre that we have been on the past 3 to 5 years has been all about service lead transformation. Lenovo just launched 3.5 years ago our solution and services group, which is all around moving up the stack and inviting the demand from our customers to help them not just with their hardware technology needs, but also their with their software their services and solution, and generating in those customer automat autocomes outcomes. Same rhythm. So I am guessing artificial intelligence ends up being a big part of those solutions and services. Tell us about that. Linda Yoga, absolutely. I am probably dating myself here, but this has been in the third way of AI to hit the enterprise sign. Leave being working in technology. The first way about 20 years ago was when and big data really began finding itself. Enterprises commercialize his applications, most notably highly frequency trading. Okay, and last one. Then we fast forward 10 years about decade ago, and that was around the time when AWS amazing web services really made computing more accessible and democratized, and so he had a way to use that big data. At that time, every enterprises was looking at setting up its own machine learning team. Every university were trying to launch a data services matters program. Okay, first of all, thanks to subscribe my YouTube channel TechTreat and press on the bell icon for every new video. And thanks for watching my video. See you next time and new video.